Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your website using HTML. Open your VS Code and now make a new file. Let's get started. Add the main tags HTML, head and body. And in the head, the title. Now in the body, write H1 and in there write whatever you want. My website. And now underneath that write a description about you. And if you want to get even more creative, use the align. Is center. Now write a description about you. Save it and now right click on the file and open with Live Server. You can see it's working. If you don't know how to use Live Server, you right click on the file and open with Live Server. If you don't have Live Server, go into extensions and search for Live Server. Install it. I've got it installed already. Now underneath that, let's implement this into a marquee. Simple for a marquee. And it's going in the left. So let's change the direction. To right. And voila. Want background color? Add BG color is equal to gold. Save. And if you want a certain size, type width is equal to 50%. Save again. And want it center? Right, center. Right, the align is equal to center. So there's no attribute for align. Now if you want to add an image, write image tag and then src is equal to. Now go on the web and search for Earth or any picture. Open it and copy the image address. Paste. You can see this has come here. But we want this on a new line. So what we do is underneath this we can either write the BR for a line break or in a p tag write hi And you can see the high is in a new paragraph for the thinner line break. Thank you, and that's all from me today.